trailer has to keep up with the demands of today, hauling the heaviest equipment to the toughest jobs. Gatormade takes trailering to the next level with the very best big muscle gooseneck trailers equipped with the very best axles by Dexter. Gatormade is dedicated to working for you and your company every day. Our gooseneck trailers have evolved based on the continued needs of our customers. We have carefully chosen to partner with Dexter to equip our trailers with the biggest and strongest axles in the industry, along with premium 12K disc brakes and suspension options of HDSS or Air Ride. Both Gatormade and Dexter provide you with a 5-year industry-leading warranty. Together, we help you carry what matters most. Gatormade and Dexter partnered to provide you with the most robust trailers, exceeding expectations, so you can meet the challenges of transporting heavy equipment in today's demanding work environments.